In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the shipping setup within Shopify. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your existing setup, these steps will help you manage your shipping options smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify admin panel. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, find the option that says My Store on the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the main dashboard for your online store. This dashboard is essential, as it's your central hub for managing everything about your store, from products and sales to customer interactions. Next, let's move on to the settings. Look for the Settings option, which is usually located at the bottom left or in the menu bar. Clicking on Settings will reveal a list of options that allow you to fine-tune how your store operates. This is where you'll be able to access and adjust various configurations to suit your store's needs. Now, from the Settings menu, locate and click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is crucial because it allows you to define how you will ship your products and manage associated costs. Shipping can significantly impact customer satisfaction, so setting this up correctly from the start is key. Once you're in the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll see various options to configure how your shipping is handled. Now, focus your attention on the Setup button. Clicking Setup will guide you through the configuration process. Here, you'll be able to add or modify existing shipping rates and zones to ensure that you can reach your target customers efficiently. This step is all about setting the groundwork for how you deliver products to your customers based on where they are located. After setting up your shipping basics, click on the option labeled United States. This is particularly important if a substantial portion of your customer base is from the US, as it allows you to tailor your shipping rates and options specifically for the region. Customizing these settings can help you manage expectations and minimize shipping-related issues. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up shipping in Shopify. Remember to test out your settings by simulating a purchase to ensure everything runs smoothly. This way, you can provide your customers with the best possible experience. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online store.